Hey guys, Joe Pisano here, and I want to show you this really pretty home. It's a Perry home, which is a really popular builder here in Houston, Texas. It's in the Parkland Village area of Bridgeland, which is the new subdivision, and that's in Cypress, Texas. So let's go inside and take a look. So this house is at 16215 Alligator Gar Court. You can see the square footage is 1984, 3 beds, 2 baths, and a really nice backyard that we're going to see here in a little bit. So let's go inside and take a look. Long entry hallway, which I love. It just makes the house look big and very open. This is the office that's located right inside to the right. I love the doors because we're all working remote. We need those doors. Beautiful glass doors, a big open space. This is the utility room. Again, the utility rooms in Texas seem to be very, very big. A lot of space for extra stuff. The open floor plan with the kitchen, the great countertops, which I love. This was funny. I did this because I saw these the graveyard of bathtubs for other houses in the neighborhood. This is a mud room where you can hang your hat, put your shoes. The pantry here is really big. A lot of stuff that you could put there. Ooh, you saw me and my dad. My dad was with me having lunch that day, and he loves to look at houses, so I brought him. But again, I love how big this kitchen is. As you can see, kind of the dining room and living room. Big open floor plan. If you're having company over, you're having people over, it's really, really great to have. This is the full bathroom that are by the other bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms, one of 2. This is the other one. Decent size, and they've got some decent closet space as well. Another look at the open floor plan. Every room has a fan. It's hot in Texas. You've got these beautiful kind of ceiling to floor windows, which really brings in the sunlight, which is nice. Here is the restroom. Big shower space. Enough for 2. You've got the tub there, which is pretty. I love when they put it in the corner like that. His and her sinks. And let's check out the closet. Nice walk-in closet. Again, they did well with the space in this house, where you can have both. If you're a couple, there's room for both. And then the bathroom has a door in it, which is great. Here's that giant backyard that I mentioned. Plenty of room for a pool. If you've got a jungle gym, something like that, swing set. And also you can put a kitchen back here. Pretty much anything you want in this backyard. So there you have it, guys. This house is going for $529,900. So here in the Cypress area of Houston, if you have any interest in it whatsoever, call or text me today, 713-254-4511. I look forward to hearing from you guys.